Does a scratched DVD result in lost data? And how do I fix a scratched DVD? Does a scratched DVD result in lost data? How do I fix a scratched DVD?
Yes, but not completely. It will depend on how much it is scratched. If it is negligible, just ignore it. If it is in the moderate level, some utility programs may help you. If it is in very high level, no hope. Still, you can recover some data if you have luck. Smile. 2. Try your luck using following apps. CD Recovery Toolbox Free. CD Recovery Toolbox Free was developed for recovering damaged files, CD, DVD, HD DVD, Blu-ray and etc. discs. You can use it to restore information lost as a result of some mechanical damage of the disc, scratches, chips, different spots on the surface, or as a result of incorrect recording. Program can recover data that was considered lost. Tool scans any CD and DVD discs and finds files and folders located there. Roadkill's Unstoppable Copier. Recovers files from disks with physical damage. Allows you to copy files from disks with problems such as bad sectors, scratches, or that just give errors when reading data. The program will attempt to recover every readable piece of a file and put the pieces together. Using this method, most types of files can be made usable even if some parts of the file were not recoverable in the end. Or try to fix the DVD. First, clean the surface of the disc with a soft lint-free cloth. You can use a gentle detergent, or rubbing alcohol, if there are some grease spots. Make sure there are no fingerprints or dust particles. Don't scrub too hard, as you may do more harm than good this way. Now apply some toothpaste or polish on the scratched surface. It is best to start with a minimum amount of either, or else you will have your work really cut out trying to buff away the remainder. Now rub gently with a cloth, moving from the center outwards. Links. This URL. This URL. This URL. This URL.
Does a scratched DVD result in lost data? Not necessarily. The data is not actually stored on the surface of the disc, it's actually stored more towards the center. There is a protective layer of plastic coating, polycarbonate, surrounding the data. How do I fix a scratched DVD? If only the protective layer is scratched, it can be filled in using the CD/DVD repair kits available at electronics stores, or even Walmart. If the scratch is deep enough to damage the data, however, you're out of luck. Others have mentioned that DVDs use error correction codes. This is true, but if the drive is saying the data is corrupt/can't be read, that already means the ECC wasn't able to recover the data, so that knowledge does not really help you.
Yes, all DVD/CD are burned using a digital redundancy technique. On DVDs, I know that Reed-Solomon code is used. Reed-Solomon codes have since found important applications, from deep space communication to consumer electronics. They are prominently used in consumer electronics such as CDS, DVDs, Blu-ray discs, in data transmission technologies such as DSL and WiMAX, in broadcast systems such as DVB and ATSC, and in computer applications such as RAID 6 systems. This code allows you to have some scratches on your DVD/CD because data redundancy, however it goes only to a limit not deterministic. After that, every new scratch will result on more data loss. Fortunately, there are some methods that allow you to try to recover your scratched media and the data on it. On WikiHow you can find a good way. While compact discs, CDs, are remarkably durable, it's nearly impossible to prevent scratches and scuffs from occurring from time to time, especially with frequent use. The resulting damage can mean either a skip in your favorite music track or, in the case of data CDs, the loss of that spreadsheet you worked on for 2 weeks. Don't despair, repair. While commercial CD repair kits and CD refinishing machines are available, you may be able to repair the damage on your own with products you already have. Steps. 1.1 Clean the disk. 1.2 Identify the scratch. 1.3 Repair foil scratches. 1.4 Do data recovery. 1.5 Polish the CD with a slight abrasive. 1.6 Wax method. 1.7 Light bulb method. 1.8 Professional refinishing.
Scratches on the bottom, clear, portion of the disk cause data read errors by interrupting the laser beam's path to the data. The actual data may still be intact, just unreachable. Think overwriting words on a page with a black marker. The words are still there but not visible. Such scratches may be filled in or polished out using various products/techniques. Try Googling for CD repair. Scratches on the top, metallic, portion of the disk actually remove the data-bearing layer and are not physically recoverable. If you can see light through the disk, the data is no longer there. In either case, the error correction protocols noted in other answers are used to rebuild lost data, up to a point.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.